Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Neha. So today in this video I am going to continue the same series of connectors. And in this video I am going to tell you the second connector nevertheless. Nevertheless is also an adversative conjunction in which you will find two sentences and you will find adverse and contrasting relationship between these two sentences, okay? So the condition of nevertheless is that let's suppose you have lots of problems, okay? You have lots of problems, nevertheless you manage to do something, okay? Having adverse situations, adverse conditions, having problems, you are managing to do something. So for connecting these two situations you can use nevertheless, okay? And you can use nonetheless also. Nevertheless is equal to nonetheless, okay? So let's understand nevertheless by some more examples, okay? For example, yesterday I did not have time to listen anyone. Nevertheless, I spared some time to listen to his problem. Second example is, yesterday I was engrossed with lots of work. It means I was so busy. Nevertheless, I spared some time to go to the wedding function of my best friend. Third example is, they had very limited resources to survive. Nevertheless, they managed to survive themselves. Okay. Fourth example is like the player got injury. Nevertheless, he kept on playing and won the match. Next is, the little girl lost her way. Nevertheless, she didn't lose her patience and reached her house safely. Next example is you can say, yesterday I was going to the office. Yesterday I was going to the office, and while going to the office, my car broke down. Nevertheless, I managed to reach my office on time by taking lift, okay? So you can use nevertheless in such a manner and in these situations. And if you have some problem, any adversity, still you are managing to do something, so for connecting these two sentences or situations you can use nevertheless. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my videos, so please share and like and comment my channel, okay, and subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much.